Motor gets power but won't spin? Don't panic, diagnose it like a pro. First, figure out the real culprit, burnt motor or bad capacitor. Grab a multimeter and set it to the 2000 ohm range. Measure resistance between the 3 motor wires. You'll get 3 values. Here's the golden rule. The 2 smaller resistance readings must add up to the largest one. For example, red to yellow 187 ohms, red to blue 178 ohms, yellow to blue 365 ohms. 187 plus 178 equal to 365. Perfect match. The motor is healthy. If the numbers don't add up or the error is over 2%, the motor is faulty. Next, wire the capacitor to the 2 leads with the highest resistance. Here, yellow and blue. Polarity doesn't matter. Choosing the capacitor is easy. Use 2 to 3 microfarad per kilowatt of motor power. A 1 kilowatt motor needs 20 to 30 microfarad. Finally, connect the 2 wires with the lowest resistance to the power supply. Power it up and watch the motor come alive. Simple physics, clean logic, real electrical troubleshooting.